Hello, everyone.
I have hella room.
So, we are all on Mako. Me, Gabe, and Amanda. We're actually in the front row.
Yeah,
so.
they literally like put us in the front row. It looks so good. Feel how much room I have.
I have so much room.
Do you want to feel how much room I have? Yeah, I'm gonna fucking die.
You're gonna die.
Oh,
okay.
Oh my god.
All right. There was just a Fanta bottle right there.
Wait, what?
Yeah, there was a Fanta bottle just sitting right there.
Oh my god, the same time as
Oh!
You know, this really doesn't look like 200 feet.
This doesn't, no.
Until you see the other part of the park, this side of the park, and you're like, oh, this is tall.
Yeah, you're like, huh?
Then you realize you can see from my hotel.
Universal. Oh, we're here. We're here.
Thing up so you don't like.
Oh gosh.
Yo! I slammed my ass on the sitting The air went in my ass.
Oh, whoa. Whoa. Oh, that's so good.
I don't know if you watched me like yeet.
Mako is top tier.
I ate a bird. I mean, a bug.
A bird? A bug?
A
A burb.
I don't know if you saw me like get yeeted.
Yeah. You got the
And
wrong.
then there was a little bit that one part where the.
Do we do it again?
No, I think we need to run the ice.